Hey guys, today I'm finally going to be unboxing and assembling Emmeline. Let's go. Alright, so I'm really sorry about the delay on this video. It was supposed to come out a bit ago, but then there was construction in my house and then I got sick. So, yeah. Alright, so I just gotta slide all of this out here and then, yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna tip the box over. Alright, so everything is right here, and from here I'm just going to get it all out. Alright, so our first step is we gotta put the two parts of the base together like this. Alright, then next we gotta attach the T part like here to here. Just like that. Alright, so next we gotta connect part D to part D, like that. Alright, so next we're going to connect the E part to this E part, and then this weird looking pole connects to O, like that. So, once you attach some cotter pins, the next thing you gotta do is find H and connect it to H. Next, we gotta put F with F and G with G. Now we gotta match I to I. Then finally, it's J to J. Now, the next thing we gotta put on is the dress. Next, we put on the body. Like that. Next, we're gonna put on the arm. Next thing is to bring this part right here, and then flip it all the way up here through her, and now I gotta secure the wire. And then the last step, you just gotta connect the spring. Alright, she is awesome. She's huge, she lunges very far out, and like this is her not even in her lunged out position. Yeah, she's already super big, like that. Yeah, her face and hands could be a bit more detailed, but yeah, I think I might actually go over these hands because they do not look very good. Like, look at that, there's like a big splash of gray there, but anyways, other than that, she is amazing. I sort of wish her eyes did not light up because it sort of gives away the scare. But yeah, overall, she's great. And if you're debating on buying her, I definitely recommend her. I'm not sure if she's better than Darling Dolly, because that one's also pretty awesome. But yeah, she's probably like the best jump scare prop from Spirit, maybe even in retail in general. But yeah, anyways, bye.